Welcome back to the channel. In last episode, we left off, last episode we left off cutting these, setting them up. So this episode, we are going to try to bend them, I believe, and actually get started on making the frame. Okay, so we find
You should be doing this.
We found this vise that we are putting on these to hold them together. They're holding these together right now. So now we need something to clamp these down and push them in. Like
I need to weld that one.
Oh, that's right. We need to weld this side first.
We gotta get the welder out next.
So you can see right there, it's like perfectly still. There's no gap. But then you go over here, and you can't see it. You see that small little gap right there, though? And that's because when you cut this right here, it heated up and bent weird. So now there's a gap right there, and that's what we're trying to fix before we weld it back up again. I think our new plan is to heat this up again and see what happens then. This acetylene stuff is everywhere. So we heated it up, as you can tell by all those marks right there. It's hot, so I don't want to get close to it. But there's really no gap there.
All right, get the welder out.
There's a small one, but not a big one. At least not as big as it was. Since we are building a hot rod, we're going to be doing a lot of welding with a MIG welder. And we're thinking we should pull it out and put it in there. Thankfully, since we have no rooms in our garage, everything just got piled on top of it. So we have to take, like, it's the bottom one down there. We have to take, like, everything out of the garage to actually get it in there. Oh, and the heads we're going to use, well, that one's under a box. And that one's right there. So we probably should bring those in, too. So we welded up the holes. Yeah.
We welded up that part.
Yeah, that part.
It was cracked.
We need tip cleaner and stuff for the welder, because the tip of the MIG welder looks pretty bad. So we need stuff to help it not get as bad and to clean it. So we are now
doing this. You are now doing what?
I am closing these up right there, so they're gonna hopefully fold in and create sort of an arrow shape with both of them together. And then after that, we are gonna start tacking everything together. So I got the welding jacket, welding helmet, and welding gloves. So we can tack that together, and then we're gonna make the holes for the front bar.
I guess I gotta get one of these with a safety shield so you can do this and not cut yourself again.
Let's not bring that up. Okay, so we decided that right here was kind of bumpy and messed up. So
Excited? Yeah.
Yeah, so we took out the angle grinder and cleaned it up. Now it's back to compressing this down to weld. So we decided to put this piece of metal in there so it clamps somewhat evenly, and we tacked it.
Oh,
as
that's
you saw
not
right there.
That ain't no bueno there. You need another something.
Yeah.
Another
We also can only find one C-clip, so that's what we're using.
something.
So we tacked everything together, and everything looks mostly equal. And I think it's time to start making a full weld.
Are you done welding?
Nope. Gotta go over this side.
There's the needle nose pliers are right over there, so you can clean off the tip if you need to clean off the gas shield. Okay, ready? Yep.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna cut this off really quick. How do you cut this? Can you not cut these with these?
I do.
Oh, you just gotta press hard. Or put these on. I haven't welded it for a while. I was welding this until we found out that the welder was out of wire. No wire left. So that,
Ran out.
yep, that puts an end to that, at least for the night.
Well, maybe.
Okay, so it is now dark outside. That's why we have the light on. It's working pretty well. I haven't been filming because that's been I'm using my phone. My phone has been dead, so it's been on the charger. But we were able to go to the store and get some more welding wire. So that is, well, never mind, that's locked. But it's in there, so we were able to weld. We got the other side done. I welded this side up, not very good. The welder was acting weird. And now we have to wait for it to cool down, and then we're gonna grind it down, or with the cutoff wheel, so it's gonna be smooth. So, future Jason here. This is the end of the video, but we have made some progress on the hot rod. I'm not gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna keep it a secret. But that's in front of me right now. I think we only have another like 80 days or something to have this done by. And that's like fully running for No Name Nationals, the poster behind there. Yeah. As I was saying, like, I think it was 2 episodes ago, the end of last episodes, I need a new channel name. Yeah, Bikes with Turlo. I was originally planning on doing bike stuff on my YouTube channel, so that's why it's called Bikes with Turlo. But now I'm building a hot rod, so yeah, Bikes with Turlo. Bikes does not equal hot rod. So if you have any more channel ideas, we put them in the comments. I think the things that are in the top are like Wheels with Turlo, Barely a Dent, stuff like that. If you have any ideas or comments on those, put those in the comments, and yeah, have a good day. Leave a like, subscribe, comment.